Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are starting a project. We're gonna extend our driveway and we're gonna do it ourselves.
We used to give our tongue for
Yeah,
show them on the front.
Yeah,
Show them on the front.
we got a quote for 1,800. The highest one we got for 2,300. So we're gonna try to do it ourselves. See if it was worth it. See how much we save, and it's a new experience for us to learn something. And yeah, so tag along with us, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so we're back at the house and this is what we have so far. We have rebar. That's a 1/2 inch thick by 4 feet long. We got 4 of those.
We got an 8x8.
We got that, what's it called? It's called a tamper. That's to, press down on the soil. So we have a nice and sturdy base. And then we have these long 2 by 4 by 10 feet long sticks, whatever.
Which didn't even fit in the car.
Then we have this to tie down the rebar. We have the stakes to secure the base, the frame, and then we have those these set of trowels. We got the edger, the cutter, and the whatever they're called. So this is what we have so far. And from Harbor Freight, we have $59 and $112 from Home Depot. Guys, and this is how I'm gonna do it. So the front of the gate is over there. So this is the front of the gate. So we're gonna do this section first. And then this one, then this is the bigger section. This one's about almost 8 feet long. So this one's gonna take more concrete. Alright guys, so far this is what it's looking. 4 inches deep. I'm gonna do this section. Alright guys, we're almost ready to start mixing. We're gonna pack down the dirt. This is the first section. Alright guys, I went to get 24 bags of concrete from Home Depot. That was about $141. So we'll add that to the budget. Alright guys, this is it. Time to start mixing. Alright, so I'll make a little honeycomb over here, mix it up, and then dump it in there. Got the rebar ready. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like so far. This is 8 bags, 80 pounds each bag. Guys, so far is what we have. Yeah, this is hard work. Water boy.
Finished.
And that's it. This little section took us like 4 hours.
Secured, is it?
Looks good. Hey guys, so it's time to remove the frame. Got the drill on the hammer. Ooh, looks good. Looks really good. Hey guys, so I'm out here at Home Depot again, and I just got another 10 bags. So that's another $66. Alright guys, it's time to start the next section. And then we're gonna start with compressing the dirt. And then we'll frame it. We'll go from there. Alright, this is what we have. All right, so far. So that's what we got. Oof, almost done. Probably 4 more bags. All right, so this section is done. We got the broom finished. Edged it. That one is 6 days old. This one I just did it today. All right, guys, we got another trip. $85. So guys, we got 10 more bags. Gotta load it up. Alright guys, we're getting ready for the last piece. Calculator says we need 24 bags. I have 26. So we're gonna go get 5 more just to be on the safe side. Hey guys, we got another 5 bags. The calculator says we need 24 bags. I got 26, but I'm gonna bring 5 more just in case. I'd rather have over than be short. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, we're about halfway, a little bit over halfway. Almost done. Hey guys, I'm almost done. I just did the last section, so I gotta let it dry up for a little bit, like an hour or so. Then I gotta edge it, and then I gotta do the broom finish. And that's it. 1,800. Extra 8.5 bags.